beauties, you are welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Extreme Beauty Therapy. How you guys been doing? I've been fine. Anyway, this lockdown of a thing, well, God knows the reason. So if you're just passing by for the very first time, kindly subscribe to my channel, turn on the notification bell. Just peep at this corner. There is a corner here, peep, and you are going to see a notification bell. So you click on it, you turn it on, so you get notified anytime I post a video. Today I take my time because I've been receiving a lot of talk about how to care for your skin, how to care for your face, especially because your face is the first part of your body. So having a flawless skin, a flawless face, it requires a lot of commitment and consistency. So today I want to show you guys how I care for my face. First of all, if I wake up, it depends anyway, like the kind of your skin type. Like me, my skin is very sensitive, so I react to things. So I know what I use on my skin, on my face, especially that I will not get any reaction. So if I wake up, I cleanse my face. Sometimes I use a toner or I use evaporated milk to clean my face. After cleaning my face, I'll stay for some minutes. I'll boil water, take ant oil, just add some little drops of tea tree oil into it, take water and wipe off my face. After that, I will take my facial wash, apply it on my face. After that, I mask my face, though I don't do this like the maxing. I don't do it every blessed day, but every other thing I do it. Okay, like the steaming of the face, like cleaning my face with a lukewarm water, I do it once or twice in a week. But I clean my face with evaporated milk every day. I use my facial oil, I use my facial cream. So guys, let me show you how I do it. Okay, this is a cotton wool and this is the milk I use. I'm just gonna put a little in it. So now, milk contains lactic acid. It's very good for redness. It clears off reddish face. There's someone that asked me to make a recipe on how to clear facial redness. So take notes. Milk clear off facial redness very well. So you just have to be consistent with it. So I'll clean my face very well with this. Then already I've set aside a lukewarm water to use after this. So I clean up my face. After cleaning, I allow it to stay on my face for 10 minutes. You can keep more than that. Make sure you clean to your neck because your neck is also part of your face, so you will not, your face and your neck will not have different color. Okay, so I clean my face very well. I allow you to stay for 10-20 minutes, depend on my timing for that day. Then I will clean off with some lukewarm water. Can you see? Look how dirty it is. Okay, after that, this is my essential oil. This is a peppermint essential oil, but I do use peppermint or I use tea tree, but today I'm gonna use. So guys, this has been on my face now for some time, so I'll just have to wipe this off. This facial wash is active against facial redness, pimples, breakouts, and as I said, if you have a lot of pimples and acne, try and steam your face. Okay, so this has been my facial care routine. So after that, this is the tomato. We've blended it. You guys can see it. I'm doing a very little quantity. This is it. Then in here I have my oat powder. I'm gonna use 1 tablespoon. I'll stir it together to make a paste. stir it very well. Now what tomatoes does, tomatoes whiten the face, then oats get rid of oil, excess sebum on the face. It's super active, it will brighten the face, it will get rid of acne, pimples, okay, facial redness. Then I'm going to add few drops of Saveloa extract. I'm just gonna use this in drops. Then I'm gonna add also a drop of mulberry extract. All these fruit extracts. This is mulberry. I'm gonna stir this together. Then I'm still gonna add few milk, because milk contains lactic. It whitens the face, gets rid of dark spots, pimples. So this is my facial mask. I apply this 3 times a week. You can do it morning or night, so depends on you. Then after this, I also use this. This is what I use during the day. This is hydrating hyaluronic acid. It improves skin roughness, nourish and smooth the skin. So for those with very super bleach face, sensitive face, that their face cannot take anything, so please kindly use this and you'll be glad. It's going to get rid of all the facial redness. It's going to make the face plump. It's going to make you look younger. You are going to love the outcome. So let me just apply my mask on my face. I will stay with this. This will be on my face for 10 to 15 minutes. Then I will damp it off. I usually make this on little quantity. I refrigerate it to stay for some days. This is purely organic. So after this, if I still have few left, I'll just put it in my refrigerator. Acne prone face, kindly add salicylic to this facial mask. Add salicylic, add little turmeric. I do add turmeric sometimes, but I decided not to add turmeric today. I always mask to my neck. I'm not a makeup type, so I take extra care on my face, because I can't afford, anytime I want to go out, I'll just sit down in the mirror and start making up. I don't even know how to make up, on the matter of fact. So keep applying till your neck. Stay with this till it dry off. Once it dried, clean your face, apply your facial whatever. So guys, I finished wiping off my face. Since my face is very sensitive, I'm just experiencing little redness here. It's normal anytime I make my facial cleansing with lukewarm water. So After that, this is what I use. As I said earlier, I use this also serves as a sunblock for a very sensitive skin. I just take a drop, apply it on my face. This is made with collagen extract and hyaluronic acid. Okay, I will allow this to stay on my face. Then I will apply my facial repair and glowing oil. Just a drop, it's okay. This oil is very nice. It doesn't clog the pores. It glows the face, whiten the face. So guys, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and have a wonderful day. Bye.